Jigger removal success stories.
After undergoing treatment, fumigating their homes and educating the communities on jigger infestation, the anti-jigger campaign has recorded success. The following are just a few examples of beneficiaries of the project. Children who were unable to go to school are now back to normalcy, and adults are able to feed their families. 1-year-old Peter Muturi. 4-year-old John Kariuki. 6-year-old Bernard Kamau. 40-year-old Marianne Mathoni.
22-year-old Gitao.
5-year-old Christine Defula. House of a family of 11 in Gatundu South, Kenya. Outdoor toilet in Masinga, Kenya. New houses constructed for a large family in Murang'a, Kenya. Ahadi Kenya has also initiated income-generating projects for rural dwellers. Banana planting project in Murang'a. 10-year-old James Njabia. A house beneficiary in Kandara, Murang'a, Kenya. The sleeping quarters of one of the houses. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.